In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert draw.io in PowerPoint. If you've created a diagram in draw.io and want to use it in a presentation, the process is actually very straightforward. The key idea is that you first export the diagram as an image file and then insert that file into your PowerPoint slide like any other picture. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. Start inside the draw.io diagram editor. Go to the menu bar at the top, click File, then hover over Export As. From there, choose the format you want to use. You'll typically see options such as PNG, JPEG, or SVG. In most cases, PNG is a great choice because it keeps the diagram looking sharp and is widely supported in PowerPoint. JPEG can work too, especially for simple visuals, while SVG is useful if you want scalable quality where supported. After selecting your export format, a dialog box will appear. This is where you can adjust settings before saving the file. You may be able to change the zoom and size, which can help improve the clarity of the diagram once it's placed on a slide. If you want the background removed so the diagram blends more cleanly into your presentation, check the transparent background option. Once your settings look right, click Export. A second dialog box will then appear so you can choose the file name and save location. Rename the file if needed so it's easy to recognize later. For the save location, set the destination to your device, then click Save. At this point, your diagram has been exported and is ready to be added to PowerPoint. Next, open PowerPoint and go to the slide where you want the draw.io diagram to appear. On the ribbon, click Insert, then select Pictures and choose this device. Your computer's file browser will open. From there, locate the diagram file you just exported, select it, and click Insert. You can also press Enter on your keyboard to add it. Once the image is on the slide, you can move it into position and resize it as needed so it fits your layout. If the diagram looks too small or slightly blurry, it usually means you may want to re-export it from draw.io with a larger size or higher zoom. And that's it. Your draw.io diagram is now successfully inserted into PowerPoint and ready to use in your presentation.